All right, guys, today is the day. I am doing a full header install with X-Pipe. Compliments of Wicked Performance.
Yes, sir.
Wicked Performance in Coldwater, Mississippi. These two gentlemen is handling it for me.
Yes, sir. We're gonna get you right today.
Yep. They came in and did a tune for me when I installed this cold air intake because the car just wouldn't run right. It seemed like Corsa would have some type of plan to help you get it tuned out, but it just wouldn't work. So I had to bring it to these gentlemen and they got me right. This is my setup with the headers. These are Speed Engineering headers. And one thing I was glad to see was the port for the O2 sensor, it's actually vertical. On some of the other ones, like Texas Speed and stuff, it comes out on the side and it's pointing against the heat shield. So we're going to take care of that. My other headers, and then those are the pipes for my X-Pipe. So we're gonna get this together. I'm also changing the plugs too. Might as well do it while I'm here. Oh, and I'm getting MSD plug wires.
Yes, sir. They're about to be here. They're actually gonna be black, so it'll go real good under that engine bay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I did a little research on the plug wires, and MSD plug wires are 8.5 millimeter.
Right.
While OEM wires are 7 millimeters. So these things are beefier and should hold up to the temperature pretty good.
The reason we do like to run those on these header kits is it is a flexible boot.
Okay.
And so you can actually flex them off the headers. A lot of people will have to put heat shields on the wires. You typically don't have to do this or do that in an application like this.
Okay.
If you use those, and we'll show you on the video.
Okay, great.
How that works.
We'll be right back, guys.